morning. The today's topic is catalytic converter. This is under the automobile engineering syllabus of unit 2. Engine emission control by three-way catalytic converter system. As we know, air pollution is the biggest challenge in the world. Air pollution due to automobile is 70% of the total pollution of air pollution. We have several ways to control the automobile pollution. The most effective way is catalytic converter. In short way, the catalytic converter are used to convert the harmful gas into harmless gas. This is the actual photographic of catalytic converter. It converts harmful gas into harmless gas. It is pollution reduction unit. It is placed in between the exhaust manifold and the silencer, as shown in the figure. This is the construction. Basic components are substrates, catalyst, mat, can and shield. Working, when the exhaust gas comes to the engine, it goes to the catalytic converter. In the catalytic converter, the harmful gases, that is NOx, HC and CO present in the exhaust are changed into CO2, H2O and N2, which are safely released into atmosphere with the help of catalyst. The catalyst material is used to promote the chemical reaction, but not in the reaction, include in the reaction. This is the actual photographic of the catalytic converter. There is a exhaust gas, HC and CO and the NOx harmful gases are going inside the catalytic converter. Then it is changed into H2O, CO2 and N2. There are two, one is oxidation catalyst, another one is reduction catalyst. There is all the catalysts are come in the cover of stainless steel body. There is another port is used to oxygen sensor. Depending on the requirement of the oxygen is there is a sensor. It is used to send the air to the three-way catalytic converter. The component of catalytic converter: metal core converter, ceramic core converter. The core is often ceramic honeycomb structure, stainless steel foil. The honeycomb structure increases the amount of surface area available to support the catalyst. Therefore, it is often called catalyst support. A wash coat is used to make the converter more efficient. The catalyst is added to the wash coat before being applied to the core. Platinum is the most active catalyst and is widely used. Platinum and rhodium are two other precious metals. Platinum and rhodium are used as a reduction catalyst. Platinum and palladium are used as a oxidation catalyst. Cerium ion, magnesium and nickel are also used. Type of catalytic converter is three-way catalytic converter, another one is two-way catalytic converter. In a three-way catalytic converter, the catalyst convert the three tasks: reduction of nitrogen oxide to nitrogen and oxygen, oxidation of carbon monoxide to the carbon dioxide, oxidation of unburned hydrocarbon into carbon dioxide. This is the photographic view. In two-way catalytic converter, there are only two reactions are held: oxidation of carbon monoxide or carbon dioxide, then oxidation of unburned hydrocarbon to carbon dioxide. Come to advantages. reducing amount of CO, HC and NOx. It leads to pollution-free environment having long life. Disadvantages: cost is high, volume required is high, there is over temperature problem, catalyst material is lost. So the temperature already is said about about 1000 degrees centigrade, the metal in the catalyst is prone decay by sintering. Emission control target is simple: to increase the amount of PGM, platinum group material, in a auto catalyst cannot function well beyond 80,000 kilometers. So some applications: generally all vehicles are fitted with catalyst converter, all diesel engine and petrol engine, and some lean burn engines and electrical generators, forklift, the truck, buses, locomotives and motorcycles are also used. They are also used some wood stove to control emissions. We come to conclusion: the environmental, ecology and health concern result in increasing the stringent emission regulations of pollution emission from vehicle engines. Among all the type of technology developed so far, used catalytic converter is the best way. The economical reason, the platinum is high cost, so there is a research going on to reduce the cost of platinum. Some other materials are investigated. Thank you.